Stop matching compliance risk with regular expressions. A word list flags guarantee in no guarantee needed and misses I promise returns. Azure AI language custom named entity recognition. Custom NER. Learns phrases from context instead. This is for engineers building email compliance checks who are drowning in false positives. One well-labeled model can hit over 80% F1 on niche entities. And one default setting quietly wrecks your accuracy. That gotcha is 3 scenes away. 3 things carry this build. First, the mental model. What custom NER actually does to text. Second, labeling data, where projects live or die. Third, the production gotchas that bite after deployment. The surprise hides in the second one. Your model quality is capped by how you label, not by how much you label. Let me take the mechanism apart first. Custom NER sits on a pre-trained multilingual transformer. You define entity types like risky promise or unauthorized advice. You label spans in real emails showing those entities in context. Training fine-tunes the base model on your spans. At inference, each detected span returns a confidence score from 0 to 1. It predicts by meaning, not exact string match. So paraphrases you never labeled can still get caught. Here is the setting that matters most: the train test split. The language studio can split automatically, but that hides distribution problems. Split manually so both sets cover every entity type. Aim for at least 200 label examples per entity. Label consistently. Same boundaries every time, or the model learns noise. Include hard negatives, emails that look risky but are compliant. Inconsistent boundaries hurt more than too few examples. Once deployed, inference is a few lines. Use the text analytics client from the Azure AI language SDK. Pass your deployment name and the email body. You get back entities with categories and confidence scores. Filter on a confidence threshold. Then route matches to review. Never trust a raw match. Gate everything behind a threshold you tune. In production, don't call the model inline on the mail path. Land emails in blob storage and queue them through service bus. A function pulls each message and calls custom NER. Flagged results go to a compliance queue for human review. This keeps email delivery fast and the model call asynchronous. Retries and dead lettering come for free from service bus. 3 gotchas. First, the default 0.5 confidence threshold floods you with false positives. Tune it against your test set. Second, custom NER has a document size limit around 125,000 characters. So, chunk long threads. Third, models drift as customers change wording. Schedule relabeling and retraining every quarter. Also watch redeployment. A new deployment name breaks callers unless you keep the slot stable. Custom NER beats keyword lists because it reads context. Your accuracy ceiling is set by labeling quality, not volume. Run it async. Tune the threshold and retrain for drift. limits and pricing change. So confirm details in the current Azure docs. Spin up a language project and label 50 emails today. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.